हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्टरडे हम इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के बारे में स्टडी किए थे और टुडे आई एम स्टडी अबाउट ओम्स लॉ। ओम्स लॉ Ohm's law is given by German scientist George Simon Ohm. George Simon Ohm gives a law which shows a relation between potential difference, electric current and resistance. V, I and R. Voltage, current and resistance. Relation between voltage, current and resistance is known as Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, if the physical condition if the physical condition of a circuit a physical condition of a circuit be unchanged, then if the physical condition of a circuit be unchanged, then current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to applied voltage at across its end. Let I current flow. Let I current flow through it. I current flow through a conductor. I current flow through a conductor from resistance R and potential difference. Between its end then according to Ohm's law V is directly proportional I or V equal to R into I. जैसे ही हम प्रोपोर्शन के साइन को रिमूव करते हैं तो एनी कांस्टेंट भी यूज हियर वी यूज कांस्टेंट एज R. Here R is constant then V equal to R into I. It is called Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law में we study relation between potential difference, current and resistance. If the physical condition of a circuit remain unchanged, then current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference applied across its unit. It is known as Ohm's law. Let I current flow through a conductor from resistance R and potential difference V between its unit. Then according to Ohm's law, V is directly proportional I. R V equal to R into I. Where R is constant, it is known as resistance also. Then V equal to R into I, it is called Ohm's law. Now, अब हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स करते हैं. Combination of resistance किसी सर्किट में रेजिस्टेंस को टू टाइप से हम कंबाइन करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन एंड सेकंड इज पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. Series combination and parallel combination. In series combination, इस सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में टू आर मोर देन टू रेजिस्टेंस को in this way we arrange करते हैं कि one end of first resistance connected with positive terminal of the battery and second end of the resistance is connected with first end of second resistance and second end of second resistance is connected with third resistance of first end and second end of last resistance is connected with negative terminal of the battery. Then combination is known as series combination. In this way, resultant resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, where R1 is the first resistance, R2 is the second resistance, and R3 is the third resistance. In parallel, now we say in parallel combination, one end of R given combination end with positive terminal of the battery and second end is connected with negative terminal of the battery. Then combination is known as parallel combination. In this combination, reciprocals of resultant resistance is equal to sum of reciprocals of given resistance 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. In this combination is known as parallel combination and this combination is known as series combination. Okay, thanks.